Well, first, when we enter the address in our page, it will present as this one, and this is the login page. Then we input the user ID. Now this is the student's user ID and also its password. It will get into the student page. And here is the first function, get all the courses of a student. It shows here, back. Well, and enroll someone in a course. We input course ID and also the date. Submit. It will present as this. It shows that the student of this one has successfully enrolled in the course. Check if a course has been completed. Imagine that we input this one, which is already enrolled by the student. It will show all the course materials and also the completion status of the student. There is a button near here, near the order one, and when we just click on that, this will make the students complete this material. Then when we see that again, it will show that the student has already completed this course material. And if we complete all of this one, it will show that the student has already completed this course. Well, and also the list material completion situation. It will just show the table of the table which is like the former one, the student ID, course ID, status, and some other attributes, and also account history. This will show all the information of a student, including its name, its course ID, payment code, some other one. Also, we have log functions here. And register. Assuming that we will username, last name, street, passcode, the country. Here we make the user type as administrator, submit. Then this administrator has successfully been registered. This is what the register page doing. Well, now I will just log in as the administrator. Then we will check the administrator, like we will log in as this one. And let me check the password. Then this is the administrator page, and the last two are just the same like the students page. And what we add is the first one, authenticate. It will authenticate any faculty, and then now the validator is this administrator. Then we will check the faculty table and faculty ID. So now we can see that this faculty has been authenticated. authenticated. And also we can log out to the
Here, this is the administrator web page. Once we log in as an admin, we can see that we have two options. The first option is authenticating a faculty. So we can always click this button, and we'll be provided with the uh, uh, the the faculty ID whom we can authenticate. Since that part is already covered in the previous video, we'll look into the reports part. So as part of this project, we were supposed to write these reports. So I'll take you through all these reports. The first one is list all the top performing students. So we click it and we can see all the top performing students. Now the top performing students are those students who have the average score greater than 92. So here we can see all the students whose average score is greater than 92 in any subjects are being listed here. Now let's see the second report. The second report is list unfinished courses for students. So here I just use any student ID, say for example this ID, and I click submit, and I can see the status of that particular student. So his course ID 1100 is still not completed. So that's the output what we get from the second query. Now we look into the third query, which is to find the most popular question for each course. So let's see the output of this particular query, and we can see this for all these question ID and the course ID and the course name, the most popular questions based on the total number of likes. So for the first one we have 52, the second one also we have almost 52, for the third question it is 22, and the last one is 11. It is being sorted in descending order. Now let's look into the fourth query. We have to find the let's go back and see what the query was. It is to find the average rating of a particular faculty for a course. So let's type the faculty ID and course ID. Let's select anything 1800 and see the rating. So yeah, as we can see, this query returns the rating of 4 for this particular ID for the person, for the faculty which we entered in the previous page. Now the last part of the query is to find the average completion score of a particular faculty for all the courses. Now let's see and see what is the average faculty score. Yeah, for this particular course ID 1100, he has the average score of 92, and for 1800 course he has the average score of 92. So that's all about our reports. Thank you.
Finally, we will log in as a faculty. And here is the faculty page. The last two are same as the other two rules, and what we add here is grant a certification to a student. Here, we input course ID and also a user ID, random certification number. You can see now that the student has been successfully gotten certification in this course, and also here is the certification number. Log out. So here are all our functions in our final project. Hope you will like it. Thank you so much.